Blessed of everyone, this is DJ Blue, the one and only, and we're on our brand new channel, In Our Yard. You understand what we're there? In Our Yard. And for the first time, we're going to be having a special guest. You know the thing. So, stick and stay.
So this is Jah Lil, and welcome to In Our Yard, yeah? Yeah, man, there, you know? So what we are doing in our yard here now? We are running a boat, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So right here, so you have the stew, you get me? I'm on a rasta, man, you know the thing. Not really too full on the rice still, but it's a coconut rice. Yeah. Every now and again. Yeah. And that is it. I'm doing some planting and thing, you know? Really Jamaican planting. Broccoli. Yeah, man, that is it, you know?
So if the singer never was a singer, they're in a kitchen. Watch ya. Top chef. What them a do? What them a do? Talk to them, CJ. Look what they put. What's it? Man, someone put on music tomorrow.
Chef.
Alkaline kitchen is open.